In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a filter in your Yahoo Mail inbox the easiest way possible. This is a great time saver if you're looking to organize your emails more efficiently. So let's get started. First, you will need to navigate to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Yahoo Mail website address or search for it in your search engine. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your username. Go ahead and type in your Yahoo email address or username in the space provided. After entering your username, click on the Next button to proceed to the password section. Now you'll need to enter your password. Make sure you input it correctly, as this will grant you access to your Yahoo Mail account. After you've typed in your password, click on Next again, and you'll be taken to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once you are in your inbox, the next step is to access your Yahoo email settings. Look for a gear icon, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From the options available, select More Settings. This will open a new page where you can manage different aspects of your Yahoo Mail. In the More Settings section, you'll see several options on the left sidebar. Click on the one that says Filters. Filters are a powerful tool in Yahoo Mail that can help you automatically sort incoming emails into different folders based on criteria you set. Next, click Add New Filter. This is where you'll start configuring the specifics of the filter that will manage your emails. Give your new filter a name that's easy to remember, so you can recognize its purpose at a glance. After naming your filter, you'll set the filter criteria. This involves defining the conditions for the filter. You can specify criteria such as the sender's email address, certain keywords in the subject line, or even particular content found within the body of the email. This step is crucial because it determines how emails will be filtered, so take your time to ensure it aligns with your organizational goals. The final adjustment is to choose the destination folder where you want these filtered emails to go. You might have pre-existing folders, or you can create a new one specifically for this filter. Selecting the right folder is important for keeping your inbox organized and ensuring that important emails are easy to find. Once you've set everything up, remember to save the filter settings. This action will activate the filter, and from now on, any emails that meet your defined criteria will automatically be sorted into your chosen folder, helping you maintain an organized and clutter-free inbox. That's it, you've successfully created a filter in Yahoo Mail. With this filter in place, you'll save time and keep your inbox neat and tidy, allowing you to focus on the emails that matter most. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.